Hello and welcome to my channel RSL TV. Here we tell you the worst, strangest, real and mysterious stories. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell and get ready to be amazed. Imagine this. You fall into a coma after an accident. And when you wake up, you are speaking fluent Chinese. Even though you will never really study the language. Sounds impossible. Well, it actually happened. In 2016, a young Australian man named Ben McMahon was in a serious car crash. He went into a coma for several days. His family feared for his life, but then he woke up alive. The strange part, he couldn't speak English anymore. Instead, he spoke Mandarin, Chinese fluently. With almost no accent, doctors were shocked. Ben had only taken some basic Chinese lesson in high school. Nothing that would explain this level of fluency. His family couldn't understand him. The hospital staff had to bring in Chinese-speaking doctors just to communicate with him. By the way, this is my nephew. Let's continue. Doctors diagnosed Ben with a rare condition called organ accent syndrome. Sorry for my English. It happens when a brain injury affects the language center. In some cases, the brain rewires itself and unclocks hidden skills. Ben's brain had somehow activated his forgotten Chinese knowledge and made it his default language. It was like his mind hit a rest button, but in a different language. This condition is extremely rare. Only a few dozen people in the world have ever experienced it. Some speak with strange accents, others, like Ben, switch languages completely. After a few days, Ben's English started to return, but his Mandarin stayed strong, even better than before. He used this unexpected gift to start a new life. He became a Chinese TV host in Shanghai, a cultural ambassador, and even a tour guide. What began as a tragedy turned into something incredible. So, what do you think? Was this just a brain science or something more mysterious? Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more true, strange stories from around the world. Thanks for watching.